Willkommen in Tokio. Ich komme um 20 Uhr und schicke dir eine DM für deinen verdammten Arsch. Du trägst schöne Schuhe. Also habe ich dir eine andere Hand gekauft. Mädchen, ich habe dir ein anderes Kleid besorgt.
Hey YouTube, wash up these with me real quick. I put on some food on the fire. Today is Thursday, so happy Thursday to you. I might sound a little bit hoarse. I got the cold, guys. Hope you're enjoying your Thursday. I am so far, even though I have cold. Alright, that is it. The water runs slow. That is it. Alright, so what's in the cupboard? A little bit of olive. Okay. So I'm gonna do some rice. Oh, the pot is too small. I need a bigger pot. Alright, so here we go. I'm gonna rinse it out. So I'll be doing a blue rice with bully beef. I'll wash the rice real quick. Okay, my clothes are malfunctioning. Hold on, guys. Alright, there we go. I'm not going to use all of this rice. That is it. Alright. This is rice. I'm gonna fix the cam so they can see what I'm doing. Alright, I'm gonna add some salt. You know, salt is for taste. Alright, onion, butter, right, I'm gonna cover it. Alright, so I washed the seasoning already, so I'm just gonna cut them up and put them down. So this is garlic. Oh, this is for the bully beef. Tomato. Oh man, mosquito is out and biting, man. Oh man. Well, I like the tomatoes in it. Alright, that is it. I'm sure, no? Nice. This might be my thumbnail, I don't know yet. Nice, alright. Put them in the dish. Guys, remember to wash them before. I'm going to rest it on the fridge. And clean out the waste, the onion and tomato waste. Let me see. And wash out the cutting board. Alright, I'm going to use this for the bully beef. Let's see if we can find the cover. Take this to the cover. Alright, that's the cover. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna let these saute. Put it on pretty seasoning. So guys, I know the hurricane left Jamaica, right? But it went somewhere else to cause devastation. Even though I'm in Jamaica and it left devastation here, I still want to know the people at Cuba, our Bahamas, a cope. You understand? What are your thoughts, guys? What are your thoughts? So guys, I was on TikTok yesterday and them say the top ranker said they will be going like St. Elizabeth and to help out some of the people with some donations, and that is so good. I have some of the TikTokers them say, oh, them don't have it. You understand? But yeah, bless the few top rankers or top TikTokers who are willing to go and help. I like my camera stay focused when I stir. Yeah. I'm gonna cover it for a second. Alright, that's some black pepper. And a little ketchup. And that is it. I turn on the fire. Alright, bully beef ready. Plantain ready. Dark and lovely plantains. Blue rice ready. Alright. Get the plates. Alright, let's go, let's go. Alright, let's go. Come on, man. Alright. Ah, come on. It was perfect enough. Alright. Alright, forget it. Let's go. The mountain came crashing down. Bro. Alright. Okay. Add the bully beef. Right there, so. I'm gonna add the plantains. Alright, so it's a plantain palette. Alright. This is it, guys. Alright, look. So this is it, guys. This is it. Blue rice with bully beef and 2 pieces of dark brown plantain. How is it looking, guys? How is it? How is it? Look at all that blueness. Hello. Cute and girly. Taste piece of the plant, you know. Everything nice and everything right.
Mom knows they're on their way.
Mm-hmm.
She has to grab them quickly and get the family out of here. Lesson learned. Now quick, hop on.
Mm-hmm.
Mom needs to get them all to the next safe house. What's that thing? Here we go again. And Mom is none of the wiser.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that was so good.
Well, that was cool. But where's Mom?
Bottoms up.